Container is a widget in Flutter which is used to wrap other widgets and provide some decorations. To demonstrate the various attributes of a container, I have created a scaffold widget with a app bar titled container widget. Now I am going to add a container as a body and going to give a background color, colors.red. Now I will explain some of the layout behavior of a container. If there is no child inside a container, the container will take the entire space of its parent widget. But if we have a child, then the container only takes the space of that child widget. And now we can add margin and padding for the container. Margin, say 20 pixels, and so this is the margin. And this is the padding. Now let's see how to give the border for this container. For that I am going to add a decoration class. Box decoration has different parameters, just border, border radius, box shadow, etc. And remember, if we are using a decoration, then we should not use the color attribute of container. Instead, we should give the color inside the box decoration. And border dot all colors dot green, and width is 10. So this is the structure of a container widget. Outer side the margin, then the border, then the padding, and then the child widget. Now I am going to give some corner radius to the border. Border radius, dot so here is the border radius. And also note, if specify some width and height to the container, say width equal to 100, height equal to 100, then irrespective of the child size, the container will only take up the width and height specified. We can also define the constraints of a container with the box constraint class, and we can give some min width 50 and max width 300. So if I remove this width and height, then this will take up the max width of 300. We can also wrap this container with a center widget so that the container will move to center. And if we wrap with alignment, align, and alignment dot bottom right, then this will go to the bottom right of the screen. So this is all about the container widget. We can also wrap, list, images, and any other widget with the container widget.